Are you ready to level up your Photoshop game? Learn how to unleash your creativity and make your images pop. Photoshop Unleashed. Expand your artistic superpowers and get creative with inspiring techniques to freshen up your toolkit. Explore fresh tips, tricks, and creative techniques to spice things up. 'Cause we've got the secret sauce. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just dipping your brush, this will ignite your passion for creativity. Learn how to make your images. I realize that we have to mix the old with the new, and sometimes the new doesn't always work. For instance, I have this picture here, and if I look at the cloud, the background, it's not great. So what can I do? I can try the selection tool, quick selection tool perhaps, and maybe select this area, possibly. But it's not doing the best job, right? So you have to know other things like pressing the option key to subtract from the quick selection tool. So if I ask generate fill to just fill this, let's try to do that, right? If I leave it blank, maybe it just knows what to do. And we use some AI. But again, we don't ever know what the results are really going to be. We just have to sit there and wait.
Right. It's generative.
Yeah. So it did okay here. Not great, right? It's okay. It's not much better than before. We can keep generating. Or, maybe I could try a different route, which maybe is selecting that sky. We can try to do edit sky replacement, and that does a much better job, right? And this is an older tool. So sometimes we have to go back to our toolkit, and we think that people can just select the hand and add a birthday cake. They don't need me anymore. But there's other ways, and they don't know every other way. So quickly, obviously, I could waste more time going through the different skies, but you get the gist. I could just come in here,
the blue
swap out. Yeah, that one kind of actually fits. We'll just stay there. I'm not looking to get perfect. So that's one way to just spicing up your images and just perfect things that aren't there using either generative AI, expand or fill, or sometimes you have to go back and go to the old school way. So sky replacement isn't really
nothing wrong with old school.
That's right. No school like the old school.
We enjoyed this tip from headTrix Training.